Hello Tesla owners. Winter is approaching and it's time to switch to winter tires to ensure your vehicle performs safely in colder conditions. Today, I'll walk you through how to change from summer to winter tires on your Tesla. Why change to winter tires? Tesla's performance in snow and ice can significantly improve with dedicated winter tires. They provide better traction, braking, and handling when temperatures drop below 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a job you can easily do at home with just a few items. First, you'll need Tesla jack pads, you'll need a jack, you'll need a torque wrench and a breaker bar, and you'll also need an air compressor. For added safety, you'll want to find a wheel chock to chock the opposite side tire so the car does not accidentally roll away. Prepare by taking your winter tires out of storage. Use Tesla's jack points for lifting. If you're using a floor jack, ensure you know where the correct jacking points are. Lift until the wheel is about an inch off the ground. First, remove the aerodynamic wheel covers if your model has them. Then loosen the lug nuts slightly. Completely remove the lug nuts and take off the tire. Tesla wheels might require a bit more effort due to their design, so ensure that you're applying enough force safely. Align your winter tire with the studs. Push it into place and put the lug nuts back on by hand as far as they'll go. Lower the car part way. Then use the torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Tesla recommends 129 foot-pounds for most models, but check your manual. Always use the star pattern for even tightening. Check the tire pressure once the tire is on. Tesla's tire pressure monitoring system is very accurate, but ensure all tires match the recommended cold inflation pressure in your Tesla's manual. Consider Tesla's recommended winter tire and rim sets for optimal fit and performance. They also offer tire storage services for your summer tires. Next, head to your car's screen and press the menu button. From here, scroll down to the service menu and touch service. Next, find the button for wheel and tire. From here, go to the left menu and select tires, and then change from your all-season summers to winters. To get the reset button to be active, you need to press on the brake pedal. Once you do, the reset button is active and simply just press reset. Now your car is able to learn that it has winter tires on. Now your Tesla is ready for winter. Remember to check your tire alignment if you feel any vibration. And always keep your Tesla software updated for the best performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla tips.